Hello. In this video, I will be describing about different learning sources of biomimicry. Some of these sources are online and other sources are in the form of books and databases which can be accessed online. So the selection of the source depends upon the objective of applying biomimicry. It depends upon what do you want to do or what is your problem. Do you want to generate ideas? Do you want to design for solving a problem in a sustainable way? Or do you want to mimic the biological entity to develop a robot? Do you want to design a product which is based upon a problem, or just you want to get an inspiration from the biological structure for doing architecture and furniture design, or maybe you want to mimic the biological entity for application in multiple fields. So there are different objectives of doing biomimicry. So in this presentation, I will suggest two types of books. Books which are having easy language and are easily understandable. The second type of books which I'm suggesting are research books which have technical language and which may not be so much obvious to the readers. If you want to learn about innovation and case studies in biomimicry, one of the books that you can go is The Gecko's Foot by Peter Svab. If you want to know about innovation with business perspectives, then one of the books that you can go through is The Shark's Paintbrush by Jay Herman. If you are looking at the engineering perspectives and applications in bio-inspired design, then there are two books edited by Yosef Bar Cohen, and these are Biomimetics, Nature-Based Innovation, Biomimetics, Biological Inspired Technologies. If you want to see the nature's view to solve problems with sustainability, then one of the books that I can suggest is Biomimicry by Janine Benyus. This is one of the very popular books in biomimicry. If you are interested in architecture, then you can refer to any of these books. Animal Architecture by Ingo Arndt, Biomimetics in Architecture by Petra Gruber, or Biomimicry and Architecture by Michael Pollan. If you just want to go through a generalized biological textbook which has many figures and clear mechanisms, that you can refer to Campbell's Biology, a very popular book. If you want to introduce biomimicry to the kids, have some of the books which you can get. They are Nature Did It First and Biomimicry Inventions Inspired by Nature. If you are a budding mechanical civil engineer or biologist, then you can refer to Design in Nature, Learning from Trees. If you are an expert in engineering biomimicry and you are interested in research about the same, then you can refer to this book, Engineered Biomimicry. And if you are having research interests and you want to generate ideas using biomimicry and allied activities which occur in bio-inspired research, then you can refer to this book, Biologically Inspired Design, Computational Methods and Tools, edited by Ashok Goel and Daniel McAdams and Robert Stone. There are many other material science research books which focus on research and applications also. So Bio-Inspired Design of Material Surfaces, Bio-Inspired Material Science and Engineering, these are the two books. If you are interested in bio-inspired robotics research, then these are some of the books that you can refer. If you are interested in the textile research, then you can refer this book, Biologically Inspired Textiles. And if you just want to solve a problem using online sources, then asknature.org is a very popular online database that can help you to solve your problems. And if you want to know more about biomimicry, you want to go through some case studies, methodology, and in general things, then you can go to this website, which is Biomimicry Toolbox. Both of these sources are available online. I hope this video helps you in understanding and knowing about different sources of biomimicry. That will be all. Thank you very much.